Hey, welcome. In this short video, I'll show you how to create a new project in CapCut Desktop. It's the first step before any editing, and it's simple enough even if you've never used CapCut before. First, open CapCut on your computer, whether it's a PC or a Mac. When the app launches, you'll usually land on the home or dashboard screen. That screen shows recent projects and the option to start something new. Look for the big button that says Create Project. Click it. As soon as you do, CapCut will open a fresh editing workspace for you. If you want, you can check or change project settings before you import any. In the Details panel, look for the project name, aspect ratio, and resolution. Click Modify to rename the project. Choose an aspect ratio like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok, and change resolution or frame rate if needed. If you don't have special requirements, you can leave the defaults. CapCut will usually match the first clip you add. In the main editing view, you'll see a few key areas. The media panel sits at the top left for importing files. The preview window is in the center, so you can watch your clips. The Details or Settings panel is on the right, as I mentioned, and the timeline is along the bottom where you build your edit. Now import your media. In the Media panel, click Import, browse to the video clips, images, or audio you want, select them, and hit Open. Your files will appear in the Media panel and are ready to drag onto the timeline. Once your clips are in place, you're ready to start trimming, arranging, and adding effects. That's all there is to creating a new project in CapCut Desktop. Thanks for watching.